Hi, I'm Rahil from Brownwood Renovation, and I'm excited to take you on a journey through our basement renovation project for Mr. Rapinoe's family. If you are ready to elevate your living space and create a basement that your family will love, get in touch with us. Let's bring your vision to life and create a space that truly feels like home. Throughout the project, we prioritize timely completion, ensuring that Mr. Rapinoe's family could enjoy their new space as soon as possible. We stayed within the agreed budget with no hidden costs or financial surprises. Clear communication was the key part of our process, keeping Mr. Rapinoe's family informed and involved at every step. Our payment schedule were transparent and straightforward, making the entire experience seamless and stress-free. Our team of professionals combined craftsmanship with a deep understanding of modern family dynamics to create a space that's both functional and inviting. It's a space where memories are made, where laughter echoes, and where every member of the family can relax and unwind. It has enhanced their quality of life, providing ample room for everyone to enjoy. This basement space was underutilized, which our team of professionals transformed into a beautiful designed, multi-generational living space that caters to the unique needs of their multi-generational family. At Brownwood Renovation, we don't just build basements, we build experiences. Contact us today to start your journey with Brownwood Renovation. Thanks.